Hi all, in this session we will take some puzzle specifically focused on the prelims examination, but yes, we will understand some specific techniques here which can be very helpful in your mains examination as well. So now we will move to our first puzzle set. Here it is. This is basically a month based arrangement. Here 8 friends is given and their respective cities, not respective, but some cities also given, 8 cities which you have to arrange. The months given January, March, April, July, September and November. So this is the basic part here and we have to arrange it. Here is 8 friends given: Pratap, Ritik, Kathir, Laxman, Niranjan, Ranjan, Jahor, Farhad were born in different months among January, March, April, July, September, November. 3 persons were born in the same month. Yeah, definitely, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months are given and 8 friends. So 2 extra means these 2 is going in some particular month. That's why 3 persons were born in any specific month. Okay, next what it is saying. Each of them belongs to different cities. 1, 2 Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Goa, Bangalore, Punjab, Hyderabad and Noida. And it is very common statement that all the above information is not necessarily in the same order. That's why we have to arrange the puzzle. Na? Okay. So now try by yourself first and we will solve it after a few moments. Read the statements given in the question and try to understand. We will solve it after a few moments. Okay, so how will we move to solve this question? We have to take some basic input here so that on the basis of that particulars we can move further. Means if everything comes in possibility case, then it becomes quite cumbersome to solve that particular question. So what I am doing here, just taking the month first here and write it down. January, March, April, July, September. Why I am taking this, you will understand. See, just let me complete it. Okay, 6 months are given. Okay, see here it's saying 31 months, 31 days, sorry, 31 days, 31 days, right? Here it's 30 days, maybe less than 30 days, though whatever the months is given there, every month having at least 30 days. Okay, because there is no February month is given in this particular. So now moving to solve the particular puzzle here. The one who belongs to Punjab was born in the month having less than 31 days. Now see how many months having less than 31 days. January is 31. So I am marking those particular months which have 31 days. So January is 31, February, March 31, March, April, May, June, July 31, September, November all are 30. Okay. So only January, March and July are 31 days. Now see, Karthir belongs to Kolkata. Pratap and Niranjan was born in a month having less than 31 days. So Pratap and Niranjan definitely born in any particular month. Okay, this much stuff is confirmed here. Okay, now moving to next. Person who belong to Goa and Delhi were born in November. Okay, so this much information is okay here. So Goa and Delhi, we can write it down here, right? So Goa and Delhi would definitely in November. Now Laxman belongs to Bangalore and he born in a month having 31 days but not in March. Okay, so not in March. Laxman either go in January or in July. Let's leave it here. Farhad belongs to Noida and he was born in April. Okay, so Farhad belongs to Noida Farhad belongs to Noida and he was born in April. The one who belongs to Kolkata was born in the month having 30 days after July but before November. After July but before November, only 1 month, that is September. So one who belongs to Kolkata born in September. So here, see, by now we have well understood that all the months except November having only one particular person and respective living cities as well. But in November there is another living cities, and along with that particular person would be there, because already 2 persons is here, 2 persons living cities is there already. So the third one would be there. Let's see what's the further information given. Ranjan was born in July. Okay, so write it. Ranjan born in July and he belongs to Chennai. Okay, so this is Chennai. This is Chennai, right? Johor belongs to Goa and Niranjan does not belong to Delhi. So Johor is Goa. Goa is already here. So Johor is here and Niranjan does not belong to Delhi. So now we have to check whether the further information, the specific information, if it's there, we have to further try to fill up the table, the chart here. So the one who belongs to Punjab was born in a month having less than 31 days. So having less than 31 days, it is April, September and November. As you can see that April is already filled up, September is already filled up only by plus, but yes, we are fortunately talking about only place here. So belongs to Punjab would definitely comes in November, and yes, here is 1 plus left, so this is Punjab, right? Okay, now moving to next. Kathir belongs to Kolkata. Yeah, here it's Kathir, this place, September, this is for Kathir, right? Okay, moving to next. Pratap and Niranjan was born in a month having less than 31 days. Pratap and Niranjan. So April, September and November. So Pratap and Niranjan definitely comes here, and you already know that Niranjan does not belong to Delhi. So Niranjan definitely comes, or you can say belongs to Punjab, and Pratap belongs to Delhi. Then the November set is okay. Johor, Goa, Pratap, Delhi, Niranjan, Punjab. So only 2 months left here, January and March. Let's see. Lakshman belongs to Bangalore, this part. Lakshman belongs to Bangalore and he was born in a month having 31 days but not in March. Yeah, very specific data. Now, after filling up all the other data which is very specific at the very first moment while we were starting the puzzle, now we can very easily belongs to Bangalore and he was born in the month having 31 days. Both months, January and March is left only. So both months having 31 days. We need more data, which is saying that, but not in March. Yeah, that much is very much confirmed that Lakshman belongs to Bangalore and from and in the month January, right? So only one place and one person is left. That is obviously for March. Let's see. What was that? Ritik. Yeah. So Ritik is here and the place Hyderabad, right? So this is the very, I can say that this is easy kind of puzzle. It generally comes in prelims, but yes, having the month based puzzle is quite a tricky part. Okay, this 31 days, 30 days, this may get slight confusion. You have to be careful while solving, while taking into consideration the 30 days, 31 days part. Okay, this is the most important thing here. That is it. Okay, now moving to the question part of this set. Okay, but before that we have to put this data in the next slide. So first is Lakshman Bangalore. Let's write it here. Lakshman Bangalore. I am just writing in a short form. Okay, Lakshman, Bangalore. Then this is Ritik and Hyderabad. Then what was that? Farhad, Noida. Farhad, this is Noida. And next, Ranjan, Chennai. This is Ranjan, Chennai. Next, Kathir, Kolkata. And then Goa, Delhi and Punjab. Punjab is for Niranjan, Delhi is for Pratap, right? And Goa is for whom? Johor. Right? Now this is January, this is March, this is April, and then July, September, November. This is July, this is September, and this is November. Now see, here the first question number 1 is here. Who among the following in the month of April? Okay, who among the following born in the month of April? Here is word is missing. Who among the following was born in the month of April? So in the month of April, this is Farad and from Noida. Whatever the information given on the basis of this particular, that is if it's saying that who among the following was born in the month of April, it in the option it can also be given like that, the person who belongs to Noida. Rather giving the particular name that Farad is the particular answer, the option can be given like this, that particular person who belongs to Noida. Let's see. See, here is the first option given like that the person who belongs to Delhi, but this is not the correct answer. Then second is Farad. Yeah, Farad is the correct one. Moving to the second question here, the first letter of name as well as city is same in which month? Okay, it is saying Ritik and Hyderabad, the information, because first letter of name and first letter of the living place, the city is same, H and H. Only this particular is correct here. No other option is feasible enough. See, Farad, F, N, Ranjan and Chennai, Kathir and Kolkata, Johor, Goa, Delhi, Pratap, and Punjab, Niranjan. So it is option E, March is the correct answer, right? Moving to question number 3 here. Which 3 places are there in any particular month? Which 3 places are there in any particular month? In the question it already said that in any particular month 3 persons are there. So here in our solution, in November month 3 persons are there. One from Goa, one from Delhi, one from Punjab. So Goa, Delhi and Punjab. Which option? Goa, Delhi and Punjab. Option D. Okay. Moving to question number 4 here. The person who belongs to Kolkata born in which month? The person who belongs to Kolkata born in which month? September, right? Questions are very easy. While you are going to solve these particular questions and this particular puzzle, maybe it sounds something very easy in this time because you were in no time limitation. You are in absolute free right now. Okay. While you are solving this kind of questions in the examination, then it would be quite maybe some trouble feels to you. But for that, if I hope that that situation would not come. That's why I am saying you try to solve this kind of questions multiple times. Only then you will feel better while you are in the examination hall. Okay. The linking statement would already be been into your mind that which statement put to where. Okay, this much understanding is very much important then. Okay, moving to question number 5 here. Which of the following is the incorrect statement? Okay, see, in question number 5 it's saying that you have to find out the incorrect statement. Okay, let's see. Niranjan born in a month having 31 days. Niranjan born in a month having 31 days. This is incorrect. The one who belongs to Kolkata born in April. This is incorrect. Johor Farhad Niranjan born in same month. Johor Farhad Niranjan born in same month. Incorrect. Johor Pratap Niranjan born in a month having 30 days. This is not 30, it's some error. This is 31 days. Okay, so this is not 31. Yeah, I can understand, but the question set like this, that all the 4 statements are incorrect. So see, when all the 4 options are incorrect, you have to look the final option. See, here it's saying that all are incorrect, so option E is the answer here. Okay, this much tricky part, while you are in shortage of time, you may skip this kind of understanding, which may give you some negative marks. So better to check the questions, even if it takes some 5-7 seconds more, it is enough. It is okay with it. Okay, you have to solve that particular puzzle within 1 and 1.5 minutes to get this kind of understanding or this kind of space while you are solving these questions, so that all the options very visible to you. Okay, only then you can mark the correct option there. So this is what I have to say here, and now we are moving to our next puzzle. Here is the next one, 8 persons, and this is basically a floor based arrangement. Okay, there are 8 persons given, and basically 8 businessmen is given, and the 8 entrepreneurs, the businessmen and respective entrepreneurs in a specific floor you have to arrange, and the puzzle is from here. Basically try to read it and solve it out. We'll start after a few moments. So before reading the statement, whatever the basic understanding, the basic statement is given there in the first paragraph, we will just write it. The floor number first, starting from the maximum one, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And respective entrepreneurs is there. Respective entrepreneurs is there, right? And the businessman. Now read the statement and try to fill up in this table. Whatever the exact statement, whatever the very clear statement is given there, try to put it in the table. Let's see. Rahul is staying on an even number floor. Okay, so there is 2, 4, 6, 8. Many possibilities comes. So leave it here. Ravi Bajaj is staying on the first floor. Okay, Ravi Bajaj. So Ravi Bajaj is the businessman, right? Ravi Bajaj, yes. And one more important thing here, for entrepreneurs and businessmen, you may confuse what name for which purpose, means either it is for entrepreneurs or it is for businessmen. For that purpose, just look the name once: Mohit, Ravi, Pulkit, Praveen, Anurag, Nishant, Prashant and Rahul. So the shortest name, you can say very easy name, which comes under the entrepreneur section. Later on you can always check the particular that whether it is businessman or entrepreneurs, but for the very first note you have to have a clarity in your mind that yes, these short names are for entrepreneurs. Okay, so here Ravi Bajaj is staying on the first floor. Okay, it is businessman and on the first floor, right? For better visibility, I am just separating the individual floors here. so that in going forward there would be no confusion. Okay, here it is, right? Provin is staying on the topmost floor with Anil Agarwal. Okay, so Provin is the entrepreneur, lives with a businessman, Anil Agarwal, right? Sunil Mittal is not staying with Pulkit. Let's leave it here because a negative statement would not be very helpful while you are just starting a particular puzzle. Let's leave it here. Mahesh Kalra is staying exactly between the floors Dilip Sanghvi and Anand Malhotra. No link at all for this moment, but not on the 5th floor. Leave it here. Proshant is staying on the 3rd floor. Proshant is staying on the 3rd floor. So this is Proshant staying on the 3rd floor. Ravi is staying on an even number floor and Mohit is staying on an odd number floor, but not on the 1st floor. Okay, again leave it here. Dilip Sanghvi is staying on the 4th floor. Yeah, this statement is helpful here. So Dilip Sanghvi is on 4th floor. So here is Dilip Sanghvi. So Dilip Sanghvi is here, but Ravi is not staying with him. Okay, Anand Malhotra is staying on 2nd floor. So this is Anand Malhotra. And can you just recollect that there is some information, some statement we have just encountered, that Dilip Sanghvi and Anand Malhotra? Yes. See, Mahesh Kalra is staying exactly between Dilip Sanghvi and Anand Malhotra, but not on the 5th floor. Now you can see that whether we are going forward we will solve some data sufficiency question, there also it is very much important, though that kind of puzzle is not this much information would not be there, but very limited statement. But yes, the understanding is very much important here. The Mahesh Kalra is staying exactly between Dilip Sanghvi and Anand Malhotra, but not on the 5th floor. Is this second part is any importance here in this statement? Even if this statement is not there, that Mahesh Kalra is not on the 5th floor, can't you confirm that whether what should be the confirmed place for Mahesh Kalra? Yes, because Dilip Sanghvi and Anand Malhotra in between, if it's saying that exactly in between, only one place, na? That is in floor number 3. So here it's Mahesh Kalra. Is there any need of saying that but not on the 5th floor? Absolutely not, right? So this is okay here. I am just saying this because this much information is not needed at all. Okay, it becomes very helpful while you are solving the data sufficiency question, because then you have to you are asked to find out that particular statement, which statement is not at all needed. Even if after that particular statement would not be there, can you solve that particular puzzle? This much understanding you have to have. Okay, now Proshant is staying on the 3rd floor. Yeah, this is okay. Ravi is staying on an even number floor and Mohit is on an odd number floor, but not on the 1st floor. Dilip Sanghvi is staying on the 4th floor, but Ravi is not staying with him. Anand Malhotra is staying on the 2nd floor. Okay, now George, Ford and Mohit are not staying on the 5th floor. Anil Kalra is staying with Anurag on floor number 6. Okay, so here it's Anil Kalra. Staying with Anurag. Floor number 6. Now whatever the very basic information, the clear-cut information is there, we have already put it. Now we have to check the possibility or taken the negative statement as well. Okay, see what are the statement we left earlier. Rahul is staying on an even number floor. So even number floor either 2 and 4, right? Only 2 even floor is left for entrepreneurship place, which can be Rahul. Now Provin is staying on the topmost floor with Anil Agarwal. This is okay. Sunil Mittal is not staying with Pulkit. Mahesh Kalra, okay, this is done. Prashant is staying on the third floor. This is done as well. Ravi is staying on an even number floor. Ravi is staying. Ravi and Rahul both are on even number floor. Can you get it? Here, Ravi is staying on an even number floor and Mohit is staying is an odd number floor. But for the timing, I am not considering the odd number floor, but Ravi and Rahul. Ravi and Rahul both are on even number floor and only two places are left. So 2 and 4. Now see if there is anything further information given in respect of Rahul and Ravi. Let's see. Dilip Sangvi is staying on 4th floor, but Ravi is not staying with him. Whenever this kind of information, the extra information is given, you are quite sure that whether it's saying that Ravi is not staying with him, this has some importance. Otherwise, there is no need of this kind of information given. This is intentionally given to make you the possible case, so that the student may get a second table here and waste some few seconds there. Okay. So there is no need. You have to understand that whether it is whenever it is saying that Ravi is not staying with him, that means that there is some two possible cases in which one possibility cut down. Okay, and maybe it follows here as well. Dilip Sangvi is not is staying on 4th floor. Ravi is not staying with him. So here is Dilip Sangvi. Here can't be Ravi, and this is the 4th floor. Okay, as the earlier statement we are confirmed that Ravi is staying on even floor. So Ravi can't come here because of Dilip Sangvi is already here. So Ravi obviously be here, and Rahul also staying on an even number floor. So Rahul is here on 4th floor. This much understanding is okay till now. Okay. Now moving to next. Sunil Mittal is not staying with Pulkit. Okay. This is again some possible cases because two businessmen places are left till now. Anand Malhotra is staying on 2nd floor. George Ford and Mohit are not staying on 5th floor. Okay, this is a block, you can say. George Ford and Mohit are not staying on 5th floor, and only one block is left here except 5, because 5 is already cut down because of this statement is given. So George Ford and Mohit comes in the 7th place. So here is Mohit and here is George Ford. Right? So only one place for businessman is left, which is Sunil Mittal. So in 5th floor, Sunil Mittal is here. Right? Now in entrepreneurship part, 1 and 5th position is left. There may have some possibility, but we have recently encountered a specific statement that Sunil Mittal is not staying with Pulkit. So if Sunil Mittal is not staying with Pulkit, only two places is left here. So Pulkit should not be here. Pulkit should come here. If Pulkit come here, only one name is left for entrepreneur. What is that? Mohit, Ravi, Pulkit, Praveen, Anurag, Nishant, Prashant and Rahul. I think Nishant is left here. Yes. So here is Nishant. See, this puzzle is quite tough to handle in prelims examination if you are encountering this for the very first time. You can't solve it in the examination time because you are going to make multiple possibilities here. But see, here I have not made any second possibility. Whatever I have to do, I just check the statement multiple times. Whatever the basic statement, whatever the confirmed statement, I try to fill up that first and then moving to possible cases, because possible cases only helpful then whenever some information, some specific stuff is already there in the table. Okay, only then you can minimize the possible cases, cut down the wrong possible cases which can't be there. Okay, because of you have already put some basic information there in the table. So this much understanding is very much important. Okay, first filled up the confirmed statement, the basic statement which can't have any possible cases, then move to the possible cases and then move to the negative statements there. Okay, negative statement would only be very helpful while there is some specific filling up is available there in the table. Okay, so that's it. And now moving to the questions here. based on this particular puzzle. But before that, we have to write this much information in the next table, next set. Here it's Probin, Mohit, Anurag, Nishant, Rahul, Mohit, Anurag, Nishant, Rahul, and next Proshant, Ravi, Pulkit. Proshant, Ravi, Pulkit. And for the businessman case, I am just take the initials AA, GF, AK like this. Okay. So this is AA, GF, AK, SM, DS, SM, DS, MK, AM and RB. AM and RB. This is it, and this is the first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, sixth floor, seventh floor, and the topmost floor. Now moving to the questions here. Here is the first question, question number 1. Which entrepreneur lives on 7th floor? Which entrepreneur? So this is the businessman, these initials, this is the businessman, and this is the entrepreneur. So 7th, it is which entrepreneur? Yes, so here is some mistakes in the question. This is not entrepreneur, this should be businessman. Which businessman lives on 7th floor? This is GF, means George Ford. Option C is the answer. Pick the correct pair here. Rahul, Ravi Bajaj. Rahul, Ravi Bajaj, no. Nishant, Sunil Mittal. Yeah, this is correct. Option B. Let's check the other options as well. Mohit, Anil Agarwal, no. It is GF. Proshant, Dilip Sanghvi. Proshant, where Proshant? Proshant is here in the 3rd floor, and this is MK, no. Anurag, Mahesh Kalra, and here is Anurag, this is AK, no. So only option B is satisfied here. Okay. Moving to question number 3 here. Which businessman lives on floor 3? Businessman lives on floor 3, MK, that is option D, Mahesh Kalra. Find out the incorrect one. So 7365, this is floor number given here. So 7, on floor number 7, George Ford, this is correct. 3, Mahesh Kalra, correct. 6, Anil Kalra, correct. D, yeah, this is something. Option 5, option E is 5, Sunil Mittal, this is correct. And Dilip Sanghvi, this is 8. Okay, this is again typo. This is 8, Dilip Sanghvi, this is wrong. So option D is the answer here. Moving to question number 5 here. Which of the following statement is correct? Anurag lives with Anil Kalra on 5th floor. No, this is on 6th floor. So this is wrong. Ravi lives with Anand Malhotra on 5th floor, on 2nd floor. This is again wrong. Moving to 3rd option. Nishant lives with Sunil Mittal on 5th floor. Sunil Mittal on 5th floor. Yeah, this is correct. Mohit lives with Dilip Sanghvi on 7th floor. This is wrong. This is wrong. And all are correct? No, this is not. So option C is the correct option here. Right? Okay, so till now we have done 2 puzzles, which one is depend on the month based and one is floor based. This kind of puzzle generally comes in prelims, but the difficulty level which nowadays can be seen can come in mains level examination as well, because if the data set if supposedly I am taking that here is entrepreneur, here is businessman, here is some color like by that particular entrepreneur. Okay, so then this puzzle is very handy for mains level, and it would take significant amount of time while you are solving this kind of question. But before that, you don't go with any particular puzzle. Whatever in the prelims or mains kind of examination, you have to understand that what the exact information is given there, means that if there is minimal possible cases, I am talking about specifically prelims examination. If there is minimal possible cases, then it is okay. But in mains kind of examination, you have to make 2-3 possible cases. At least 2 possible cases you have to make. Okay. It may happen sometimes that the statement is very less in that sense, but that kind of puzzle at times becomes difficult one. We will move to that kind of stuff as well, but now we are moving to some advanced level puzzle. Here is the next set, and this is some boxes is given there along with the weights and colors. You have to arrange the same. Read the paragraph and see if you can get it. Nine sweet boxes are arranged in a rack, one above the other. Each sweet box has different weights, such as the weights is given 230, 170, 360, 510, 340, 720, 550, 690, 460 gram. And each box is differentiated with a different colors. Here is the 9 colors given, right? 9 colors given. All the above information is not necessarily in the same order, very common statement. Now the actual puzzle starts here. Read it and we will start after a few moments. This is a quite advanced level, and this puzzle is generally comes in mains. In clerical mains you can expect, and in insurance examination, mains exam, you can expect it. And if it comes in the PO exam, your mains examination, then it hardly gives 4 questions. Generally it gives 3 questions in this particular puzzle. Okay. Okay, so in this kind of puzzle, we will not fix any particular column. Rather, we will move whatever the statement gives, whatever the minimal statement is given there, we will just take it as our base and we will further build on that particular. Let's see. Number of box below the box which is 340 gram and above the box which is 170 gram is same. This is good statement, but we can't start from here because 9 boxes is there. There is multiple possibilities. Now moving to next statement. Only 2 boxes are placed between red and green box. Blue box, again only 2 boxes between red and green. Either green can green is above red or red is above green. Both possibilities are available there till now, whatever we have read. Moving to next. Blue box is above green box. Only 1 box is placed between them. Now this is very static statement, right? Blue box is above green box and only 1 box is placed between them. We can surely write it. Blue box is above green box and only 1 box is in between them, right? This is green. There are as many boxes between green and orange box as between pink and black box. Leave it here. Pink box weight is equal to the sum of the weight of blue and red box. Leave it. the weight of the white box is less than yellow box and more than orange box. Okay, this is a specific information which can be noted in a small notation like this. White box is less than yellow box in weight and greater than orange, right? The red box and black box is arranged in the adjacent racks. Here, red box and black box is arranged in the adjacent racks. Number of boxes placed between white and grey box is twice the number of boxes placed between yellow and white box. Red box is placed below blue box and yellow box is not placed above blue box, means yellow box again below blue box. Weight of the green box is 10 grams more than the twice of grey box. See, this kind of information you have to take at the very first note, otherwise there would be umpteen number of possible cases can come, right? Why I am saying this? See, weight of the green box is 10 grams more than twice of the grey box. So supposedly if you take that grey box weight is 10, should be 2 into 10 plus 10, because whatever the grey box weight, the green box weight should be 10 more than twice of the weight of the grey box, right? So can't you think that whatever the weights given in the question, we should check first that whether multiple cases are possible here or not. Though we can't confirm that green and grey position right now, but we are some way in a better position to get the T's. Let's check. 170, 230. So double is 460, 460, 470 not available. 170, 340, 350 not available. 360, 720, 730 not available. 510, 1000 already not available. 340 means 680 plus 10, 690. This is the only stuff here available. This is the only weight, the related weight, 340 and 690. So weight of grey box here is 340. Weight of grey box here is 340 gram, right? So this is 340 and green is 340 into 2 plus 10, so 690 gram. So this is green is 690 gram. Okay, now moving to next. Red box is not placed in the lowermost rack. More than one box is placed below black box. The weight of the black box is 3 times the weight of the blue box. Again, one more important stuff. Blue, black. Some relation on the basis of number here. Weight of the black box is 3 times the weight of the blue box. So whatever the blue box weight, it should be 3. Black box weight, if the blue box weight is 1. Just for understanding, let's check if there is any multiple possibilities available there or not. If not, then it would be very, very easy to us. 230 multiple 3 or divide by 3. Divide by 3 is not possible because all the data given there. Looking at the data, you can surely conclude that 230 multiple integer multiple may give some relation. 230, yes, 690. 170 multiple 510. So there is 2 possible cases. Now let's see if there is anything in relation to this can be available or not. Here red box is placed below blue box, okay, but red box and green box only 2 box. See, only 2 boxes are placed between red and green box. This is, get it? Only 2 box between red box and green box here, and here it's saying then red box is placed below blue box. If red box is placed below blue box and between green and red there will be 2 box, so red can't be here, right? This place is not for red. So we have to make two boxes here, and here comes red. And again it's saying that red box is not placed in the lowermost rack. So there must be one single box is here, maybe more, but for the time being, at least one box is already there, immediate below red, right? Okay. Blue box is above green box. Okay, this is done. One box between them. There are as many boxes between green and orange as between pink and black. So green and orange is same as pink and black. Pink box weight is equal to the sum of the blue and red. Pink box weight is equal to blue and red. The weight of the white box is less than yellow and more than orange box. This is we have already written down here. Red box and black box is arranged in adjacent racks, right? So black is either here or either here. So now we are moving to our possibility case. So here it's blue, here it's green, here it's red, and we have already encountered that statement that red is not the lowermost, so there should be at least one box. So now we are taking black here and we are taking black here, right? So black box is adjacent to red box. This is okay. Moving to next. Number of box placed between white and gray box. Okay, this is again a relation based statement. White box and gray box is twice the number of box between yellow and white. Right? Red box is placed below blue box. This is done. Yellow box is not placed above blue box. So yellow is below blue. Weight of the green box is okay. This is also done. Red box is not placed lowermost box. This is also done. More than one box placed below black box. Now see. In the first case, already more than one box below black, but in the second case, more than one box means there is two box should be, right? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Already 9 boxes is there. Okay, so the total box arrangement is there in the second case. This is case 2, and in the case 1 we don't know whether we have to move upward or downward. The weight of the black box is 3 times the weight of the blue box. Yeah, this is it. The gray box weight is 2/3 the weight of the black box. Okay, now gray box weight is 2/3 the weight of black box, and again black box is 3 into blue box. Now we were in confusion that if this is blue is 170, then black is 510. If blue is 230, then black is 690. Now along with this statement we have to satisfy this earlier statement. Gray is equal to 2/3 into black. Now see, this black is, if 510, then multiplied by 2/3 would give 340. So gray is 340. Gray 340. Yeah, it's satisfied because gray and green we have already calculated, na? So this would be gray 340. So we can't move this 690 part. So gray is 340 here. This gray is 340, green is 690. Right. Now, box which have the weight 230 and 340 are in the adjacent rack. Now we have to deal with this statement. White and gray, yellow and white. Before that, green, orange, pink, black. So green, orange and pink, black, or green, orange. Here there is no gap at all. If we can think of green, orange and pink, black. Pink is here. Let's see some extra information if we can extract from here, or we can get from the given paragraph here. Number of box below the box 340 and above the box 170 is same. Only two boxes are placed between red and green box. Okay, this is satisfied. Blue box is above green box. Only one box between them. This is also done, right? There are as many boxes between green and orange box as between pink and black box. Pink box weight is equal to the sum of blue and red box. So, blue and red box. We don't know the weight of blue and red box, but yes, one thing is confirmed, that blue is 170, black is 510. Yes, this much stuff we have already calculated, that blue is 170, then black is 510, so gray is 340. So blue is 170 here, and here it is 170. Green is 690. Now, if this is 170, because we have already settled 9 box here, so obviously this is 340. Because of the first statement, the very first statement, number of box below the box which is 340 gram and above the box which is 170 gram is same. Now, here it's 170. How many boxes is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes is there. So 7 boxes is there. If we put 340 here, or 8 boxes here, 340 here, if in the this part, then the condition violates, because we can't confirm the similar number of boxes above 170 and below 340. So we have to have put 340 gram here. Then this is the final part, because we have to make the boxes equal. Even if there is no boxes, then also the condition satisfied, but we have to put the 9 boxes in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So in case 1, 9 boxes already settled, and in the case 2, it's already there. Now we have to check both cases simultaneously. So 170, 340. So 340 is for gray. So this is gray, and here it's also gray. 170, and the final statement, 230 gram and 340 gram are adjacent racks. So this is 230, and here it's 230, right? Now, red and blue, as we have already find out the weight of blue box. So here it's 170 gram for blue. What could be the possible weight of red, so that we can find out the pink weight? Let's see. if 170, 230 sums up to 400, not given in the option, not given in the in the set of weights given there. Then moving to 360, no, 360 also not. 510, 680 not given. 340 sums up with 170, 510. This one is satisfied. 720, 890, 510, 720. So two cases here, either 340 or 550, but 340 already here for black. So 340 can't be for red. So red is 550 gram, right? If red is 550 gram, so pink is 720 gram. Is it okay right now? Okay, so but red is 550. Red weight here, red is already there in the box. So 550 gram is here. 550 gram is here. So pink is 720. Let's see, pink position still not confirmed. So let's move. Is there anything related to pink box? Yes, this information you can use. White and gray is equal to 2 into yellow and white. So if one place left, white can't be here. You have to put 2 place here, because you have to if there is a gap between yellow and white is 1, the difference between yellow gray and white should be 2. So at least there would be 2 boxes needed, right? So if 2 boxes is there, red place would come for white, but this is already occupied by red. This does not satisfy the given condition. So we have to move the even number value, either 2, this 2 box, this 2 box, or this 4 box we have to take in a set. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So white can be here. If white is here, between white and yellow there should be 2 box. But is there any possibility? If white, if supposedly I am writing outside the box here, this is white, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes between white and gray. Is there any possibility to put white and yellow in a gap of 2 box, in between 2 box? No, not possible, because there is only a single gap within yellow and white, only one. Then the condition violates. In the lower side, if white is here, 1, 2, 3, 3 gaps, yellow come here. There is 3 gaps between yellow and white. If 3 gaps, there should be, must be 6 gaps between yellow and gray and white. This is not satisfied here. So this condition is, this case is wrong here. Okay. At this point of solving both the cases till now, we now confirm that second case is violating the condition here. This condition between white and gray, whatever the number of box is available there, this is twice the box between white and yellow. So it is quite sure that case 1 would satisfy. Let's see. So here it's gray. So white and gray, only possible case is here. Between 2 box between white and gray should be at least satisfy the condition, so that between white and yellow only 1 box is there. Yeah, if white is here, then yellow could be here. Condition satisfied. If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if white can be taken here, then between white and yellow 3 boxes you have to follow. 1, 2, 3. Yellow can be here. Yeah, again 2 possible, yellow can come here, but green and orange, or you can say, what's the other information I can take from here? Okay, try to put this information between green and orange. Whatever the number of boxes available there, it's exactly same as the number of boxes between pink and black. If white is here and yellow is here, then where do we put green? Green is already there, so orange can be here, right? If orange in either of the 2 places, orange is here, or pink is or orange is here, but yellow is already occupied in this place, na? This place is already occupied. This box I am talking about, this box by yellow. So pink should be here, orange should be here, green and orange, and pink and black condition, pink can't be here because it's already occupied by yellow, so pink must be here. But here the condition violates, because whatever the number of persons between green and orange should exactly satisfy between the number of persons between pink and black. But here between pink and black 2 boxes comes, which violates the condition. So white and yellow second position is wrong. Whatever the possible cases we are thinking about, this is not correct. But white comes here, right? Yellow comes here. This means what? This means between white and gray 2 boxes, which is twice the number of boxes between white and yellow. This means 1 box which is green, right? Now moving to the latter statement, which is between green and orange, whatever the number of boxes available, which is exactly same as the number of box between pink and black. So let's try to put it in the box here. Green and orange, if we put green 1 2, orange is here, and pink and black is here 1 2, pink, yeah, it's satisfied, perfectly matched, right? So pink is here, orange is here, and our color set is already settled. Now moving to the weight. Or also you can think that pink could be here as well, orange could be here as well, right? Because the difference between green and orange, if orange here 1 2 3 4, and between pink and black 1 2 3 4, yeah, both side conditions still satisfy. Within case 1 we find out one more case, sub case. Now moving to any further statement given there to fix it. Let's see. Red is 550, fixed here. Blue is 170, fixed here. Green is 690, gray is 340, fixed here. And now whatever the leftover value is only 230 is done, 170, 360 left, yeah, 360 left, 510 left, 510 left, and you can put it here, 510 black, and 340 done, 720 is left, 550 is okay, put it, 690, okay, done, 460. So 460 gram, 360 gram, and 720 gram, this 3 is left. So pink is 720, but pink position still not fixed. And see here, if white, orange is not fixed, yellow still not fixed, but pink is 720. Pink is 720, right? So pink is 720, but here see at the very bottommost box 230 gram is there. So already we calculated that pink is 720 gram. So pink can't come here, only orange is here, and pink should be at the topmost box, which is 720 gram, right? So what are the value left right now? Orange is 230 gram. And 720 is already settled in the table, so this is gone, only 360 and 460 left. So yellow is more than white, so this comes as 460 gram, right? This much information, and this should be 360 gram. Now yellow is 460 gram and white is, this is 360 gram, right? So now this is the final arrangement, the box based arrangement here, given the weights and respective color, arranged from bottom to top. Now we are moving to question set, but before that we have to write it in our question set as well. So first is pink, blue, yellow, green. Okay, write it here. Pink, blue, yellow, green, white, black, red, white, black, red, and this is orange. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, all 8 boxes are arranged, and now write down the weights here. 720, 170. So this is 720 gram, this is 170 gram, this is 460, white is 360, orange is 230, and rest values 340, 550, 510. 340, 550, white, black, red, gray, orange. So this is gray here. Gray is 340. Red is 550, black is 510, this is 360, and green is 690. Right. So now solve these questions here. Here is the first question. The maximum weight of sweets placed at which position from the bottom? So from the bottom, maximum weight of sweets, this is 720. So from the bottom, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9th. This is 9th, option B. This is 9th. How many boxes are there between 6th from top? 6th from top, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this black box we are talking about, and the box which weighted 460 gram. 460 grams. So in between two boxes, option E. Which is the correct combination? White color box has weight 510. No, it's wrong. The topmost box has blue color. No, it's pink. Green color box has maximum weight. No, it's wrong. There are no boxes between highest and lowest one in respect of weight. Yes, this is correct. 720 and 170. 3 boxes are there between yellow and the box having 550. Yellow and 550. 1 2 3. This is not 550. This is 510. Okay. So only option D is correct here. If the arrangement done on the basis of first letter from the top, then how many colors can retain same position? Okay, so we have to write it in an alphabetical order from first letter, on the basis of first letter from top. Okay, so this is black, this is blue, this is green, this is gray, orange, this is pink, this is red, then white, then yellow. So one red, blue. So only 2 plus can retain the same position, option B. which box has a weight of 510 gram? 510 gram, this is pink box. Not pink, this is black. Sorry, this is arrangement. So this is for a specific question. So black. Option D is the correct answer choice. So we have solved 5 questions for this particular puzzle, and this puzzle is quite an advanced level. There are multiple possibilities, but we have not took that much possibilities. We have just solved it by taking the basic statement, the confirm statement, which should not have multiple possibilities, and then check the possible cases which eventually gets cancelled while we were checking in the particular table you were solving, because already some data you have put there. So that's why that possibility case diminished, and you solve that particular question very efficiently. This much understanding is very much important while you are in examination, because taking multiple possibilities is not wrong, but by taking that number of possible cases would make you waste some very important seconds there in the exam. So that should not happen. That's why I am telling you that try to put the very confirmed statement first and then moving to the possibilities. You may not have take the multiple possibilities case if you think the way I am saying to you. Okay, so this is what is the last set of this session, and that's it for now. And try to solve more number of questions. That is it. Okay, and good time.